In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious banana bread. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and every time between. For this recipe, you're going to need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of regular sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 very ripened bananas, and 2 eggs. First, mix both of the sugars together with the butter. Now place your bananas in a separate bowl and mash them completely until there's no more lumps. And in another bowl, whisk your eggs. Now add the eggs and bananas to the sugar mixture. In a separate large bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt together. Now add both of the mixtures together and stir with a spoon to make sure you don't overmix. Spray your bread pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour the mixture in. Place in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees and bake for about 55 minutes until it's golden brown and done in the center when tested. Place on a wire rack to cool. This is really delicious to have for breakfast. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.